Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all my students. How are you today? I hope everyone is feeling well and ready for our lesson for today. Alright, for today we are going to learn about shapes and our objective is students are able to speak at least 5 words correctly. Okey, baiklah. Pada hari ini kita akan belajar berkenaan tajuk shapes iaitu bentuk dan objektif kita pada hari ini ialah pelajar dapat menyebut sekurang-kurangnya 5 perkataan dengan betul. Alright, let's start our lesson for today. Alright, shape. Shape dalam bahasa Melayu ialah bentuk. Alright, as you can see here, seperti yang awak boleh lihat di sini, there are a lot of shapes here. Ada terdapat beberapa shape di dalam gambar ini. For example, we have triangle. Triangle is segitiga, and we have rectangle, segi empat tepat. Alright, as you can see here, there are 6 basic shapes that we are going to learn today. So, let's read together. Circle, oval, triangle, rectangle, square, diamond. Alright, now, let's see each shapes. Circle, oval, triangle, rectangle, square, diamond. Okay, now I will explain in Malay. Baiklah, sekarang saya akan beritahu makna dalam bahasa Melayu. Circle ialah bentuk bulat, oval ialah bentuk bujur, triangle ialah bentuk segitiga, rectangle ialah bentuk segi empat tepat, square ialah bentuk segi empat sama, dan diamond ialah bentuk intan. Okay. Now, we are going to see each object which represent every shapes. Okay, first, circle, for example, watermelon, triangle, pizza, square, box, rectangle, green board, oval, egg, and lastly is diamond, kite. Alright, now I want you to look at your surrounding and see how many shapes you can see. Alright, that's all for today. So I'm going to give you some exercise. After you finish all the exercise, you can send it to me through WhatsApp, and if you have any question, you can just PM me and then I will reply as soon as possible. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.